Sharing content has never been easier. Files coming in from anywhere in the world via latakoo automatically land in the Asset Manager, which eliminates the need for manual downloads. The latakoo hub makes this possible and saves precious minutes.
Nobody has time to sit around anymore because we're always looking at our watch.
The latakoo hub is a big time saver for the local Austin, Texas NBC station KXAN. As soon as journalists send files from the field and they land in the latakoo cloud, KXAN's hub server automates the download, conversion, and delivery to Bitcentral, where the files are accessible to the entire team and ready for playout over the air.
Wherever I want to send it, that's the beautiful thing about the hub, is it goes where you tell it to go.
All files and proxies land in the desired format, and all metadata and transcription are attached. Teams can also track the delivery of files and get real-time updates by clicking on the latakoo flight tracker in the Pilot web portal. The latakoo hub is fully integrated with AVID Interplay, Grass Valley Stratus, Dalet Galaxy, and Bitcentral. Find out why the world's largest broadcasters rely on latakoo hub at latakoo.com.